Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel, aka Planiel, aka Dirty D, and with me I have my best friends and riding buddies, Kyle, aka the Nomad, aka Lil Ray Ray, and Nick, aka Nasty Nick, aka Nick James. We just got back from a 4-day We just got back from a 4-day adventure ride where we hit George Washington National Forest, Monongahela National Forest, Shenandoah National Forest, Michaux State Forest, Green Ridge State Forest, and all kinds of twisty roads in between. We shot a ton of footage. I put together a compilation. We're gonna watch the video and do a little live commentary. Are we ready, guys? Let's roll.
Day one!
Alright, Black Croc down.
We got the Crocs. We got the Crocs. That was RIP. Going through some tunnel
That's
action right
100
here.
feet below sea level. Can
That's
you
crazy.
believe that?
That's it.
So yeah, we blasted out west on 70. Kyle was on his Africa Twin. Nick was on his Tenere 700.
Super scenic bridge here. That's the
That's
Potomac.
Potomac.
The Potomac. You can see Harper's Ferry.
All right, we're on our way down to Front Royal. Was our first stop, so we hit
some dirt.
Dirt.
Yeah.
We got dirt
There's
on the way
pavement.
there. There's Kyle sporting that stash.
Stash
Join us on the
ride.
mustache ride. Right?
Front Royal is where Skyline Drive starts.
Yeah, you
Okay.
paid for us.
Mm-hmm.
You
25 bucks a
up.
motorcycle.
You anteed up.
I went up front and I said I would like to pay for these clowns. So anyway, yeah, beautiful scenery all throughout the day, this day. And if you go on Skyline Drive, do it on a weekday because weekends
Wednesday,
it's packed.
Thursday.
Nobody.
There's no one there. There's like 2 families. Yeah.
This lady,
We can keep watching.
Nice enough to take
Yeah.
a picture with us.
Yeah, that was nice.
There it is.
Turned out.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good one. Might have
Nice.
been the photo of the trip actually.
Weird.
We were taking it all in, the first scenic overlooks, looking it out, taking it all in, looking where the mountains meet the sky. We had a helicopter, a full helicopter on hire. That
Yeah,
just
we had a
followed us around.
Red Bull helicopter.
Yeah.
Rob Dyrdek was flying it.
It really doesn't do it justice, though.
It was pretty good though. Yeah, it doesn't. It's really difficult to get like that.
We-
No hands
Christ
on the
Air.
wheel. That's a Christ Air.
Like Mom,
they
no
call it.
hands.
Yeah.
That's
A little bit of other, just I think that's my POV right there. Following these guys. So we had our rain gear on. It was on and off rain.
high vis Kyle.
High vis Kyle got very high vis. It was
Look at
getting
that.
cold.
It was starting to get kind of moody
No,
there
I was
when
freezing,
like
man.
the
That's
clouds
why I
were
was
coming
wearing a
in.
raincoat.
We got another tunnel. We
Yeah.
started with a tunnel. Got our second
Mid
tunnel
with
of the
a
day.
tunnel.
So Nick passes on double
I couldn't
yellows,
see
and then
anything.
the motorcycle
Tunnel
guys
in.
rain down on us.
Yeah, you're right. But look how sturdy that windshield mount looks there at this point. Looks pretty good.
Solid mount there.
Looks like it's right on there. Okay, so still getting
Yeah.
pelted.
It kind of rained for a little bit.
It rained for a hot minute.
Is anything else to say here? I think we were just like pretty beat by
We were
this
really
point.
wet, cold.
We just wanted to get to town and get you some new Crocs.
Shout out to Ross in Waynesboro. You
Yes.
saved the day.
Day 2! Waynesboro to Mongolia.
So we started off at Blue Ridge Parkway, and it was
Oh,
really
here's day
moody and kind of rainy, but it turned out to be a beautiful day.
Yeah, started off a little chilly in the morning.
But it was epic. I mean, I thought it looked just the same, and the roads were just as good as Skyline.
I would
and it was
say,
free.
yeah.
Yeah, I liked it. It was
It
cool.
was free.
Got some good
Um,
drone footy here. It's
I-
really fun to drive those things.
At this point, though, I had enough pavement. I was ready to hit some unpavement.
I didn't mind the road. It was fun.
I honestly too with the Tenere.
But we had a
700,
whole day of highway and then Skyline. It was like I was ready for
Yeah,
like
a little bit
back
different.
roads and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
beautiful sweeping mountains. I think our top elevation was something like 30,
3,700?
3,700.
3,800?
Yeah, it was good.
It was like
Really
upwards of
difference
3,800.
in
yeah.
temperature when you got high too. Like when you
Yeah.
get up there in that high altitude, it would
High
get down to like
altitude.
70 degrees, but then you get down to lower altitude, it would get right. It would be like a 10 or 15 degree difference. It was like very noticeable. There's Kyle looking like some sort of bug.
That's me.
It's
Actually.
Daniel.
What? Oh yeah. Oh okay. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rocking the cutoff.
I stopped on the side of the road to snap some pics on my Canon with my 70-200 L series lens.
So we stopped for lunch at Gertie's. Shout out Gertie's.
Boom! We have our name there.
That's our, oh
Cow!
shit, is that a bear? Nope.
Cow!
Yeah, we finally
There it
found
goes.
some unpaved roads. Nice and
Unpavement.
squiggly.
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty
This
good
was
here.
there, too?
I don't really.
Yeah, this is part of the MABDR at this point.
Yeah.
And
This is
I
the
would-
roller coaster.
I was really happy to, sorry for the dirty camera.
Yeah. Is this part of the roller coaster? Or were we in George Washington at this point?
At this point, we're in George Washington National Forest and Monongahela National Forest, where they kind of like, it's the border of West Virginia and Virginia, and it starts getting really, really squiggly through here, and you can see on your GPS up there how like bendy,
Yeah.
twisty it is.
This was like a really good way to show you that this is like the same type of turns over and over again, which was awesome. Just wanted to keep doing this all day long.
Yeah, definitely like the highlight of the day for me, going through here.
Yeah.
Every time
for
we went
sure.
around a corner, I kept thinking we're gonna see a black bear right there.
Thank goodness we did. Some river crossings.
Yeah, lots of nice water crossings. I enjoyed them.
Yeah, that was good. Was this the night we were certain we were close to a campground?
Yeah, you guys were looking
Yeah.
for a campground that was on
Which it
another
was. It
route.
was. If we had made it a right on this one road, we'd have been there in 10 minutes. But we went straight for another
Great
day.
picks. Though.
It was a
really
fun
turned
day.
out.
A side-by-side river crossing. It just shoots water into the next person's
Oh,
boot.
wet boot!
It's like a
Zombie mode.
TikTok moment right there. That got millions of views.
Look at all the bugs on your windshield.
Oh yeah,
Holy shit.
Damn, dude.
that is a lot of.
Never
That was
noticed
a lot
that.
of ruse.
We probably at this point rode for probably like 200 miles plus, and
Easily,
I
yeah.
think we were ready to find somewhere to settle in for the night. Mr. Mustard coming out of the campsite.
Holy shit, day 3, recap.
We were totally dry boys, and a dry
We
boy
got rained on
is a
real
smart
hard.
boy.
We got dumped on hard.
Yep. 8
Which
miles
is
back.
nice for dirt roads.
Some of these campers that were out there must have done this road. I mean, they all did this road. Kind of a lot of
Yeah,
dirt.
they're not doing it at 50 like we were, though.
We were going
They're like
fast.
2 miles an hour.
Heading to the camp store. They had Wi-Fi. We were off the grid for the night.
The whiffies.
We need some Wi-Fi. Hello.
Oh yeah, Nathaniel Mountain.
This is a good little detour. Worthwhile for sure. Just an
We
hour
really
long.
thought we'd see a bear.
Yeah, I was hoping not to, but
I wanted to see a bear.
We were in the back country, and that's where bears live.
fair country. Bears eat
Bad
meats.
country.
Bears eat people.
The only the slowest person that's eating, though.
That's true.
That's why I run fast.
Keep in front of the pack.
There's a deer.
Ah! Deer running from a bear. We
Oh,
thought
dear!
the deer says, "Oh man!"
This was a nice little detour, though.
Yeah, if you're doing the Mabdr and you see Nathaniel Mountain, might as well just dip in there, and if there's a
Check her
gate
out.
open, just mosey around
Check
a
her
little
on
bit.
out
Have
there
lunch.
now.
Yeah,
If you
check
have
it
a
out.
drone, bust it out, maybe fly through the diamond.
Shoot the
it.
gap.
Do
Thread
the
the
gauntlet.
needle.
Bussing it out.
Just watch out for bears.
Yeah.
Bussing it.
Plenty of power up there.
Bear turds.
It's pretty easy
Bear turd
to
puns.
get off trail here and just find your own path.
Yeah.
You can go your own way.
Go your own way.
We
gotta
did
pay
get a
for that.
little turned around,
Yeah, we were a little backwards here.
but it was a lot of fun.
A lot of ruts, ruddiness.
That's an
Rudy
adventure.
Rod Piper! I was right behind Daniel here.
Yeah, I got passed.
I was just like, I don't know what Nick's doing. I'm just
I had to
gonna
go
do
a
this.
wrong line. Lost my confidence.
Yeah, I looked at the
Oh.
phone and we were
We are
not
nowhere
on
near.
anything.
Yeah, we were not near any
We're
trail.
just in
I was
middle
worried
of
about us
nowhere.
being on some like private property in West Virginia and just figured we'd get
Getting
back
shot
on the
at.
road. Yeah.
Back on the road. Mini horse.
Getting shot. It's cool.
Large horse if you're Kyle.
Old Town Bridge.
Yep, this is on the way to Kyle's property over here.
Mm.
Taking some bridges.
Back out to Green Ridge.
Green Ridge, awesome riding. Good gravel out there.
We
Not
didn't get
not
that
very
hill
dusty.
climb. We did the hill climb, but we didn't get that on video.
Yeah,
did
no
we?
video. So here we are at Locust Post Brewery, where they have a camp.
Campsites.
Campsites. They have
They
3
have
campsites.
campsites with bathrooms and showers
And
and
trees.
It's rad. You go over there, you set up your camp, and then you can walk over to the brewery, and there's live music, and there's all kinds
Beer.
of stuff going on. There's beer, there's pizza,
Pizza.
there's pretzels.
Find them on Hip Camp. There's plenty of other options for camping in the area, but I would definitely look there first.
Super accommodating, super appreciative.
For sure.
So we dropped our gear and then just rode around for the rest of the day. We were on our way out to Beal's Bar here.
Yeah, we had perfect weather.
Yeah, it was awesome. Good river crossings, going down to the water here. Thought would be a good photo op.
Just dip our toes in the Potomac.
Dipper toes, the dipper toes. I was totally blind here because I had a Biltwell helmet without a visor. Should have a ATV helmet.
Makes me want to tip my hat. It was that bright.
We had a little photo shoot down here on the water. As you can see, they really turned out.
Yeah.
The duct tape doesn't look bad on my windshield.
Barely tell.
You can barely tell. You really
Yeah, these bros. See you later, dudes. They're super nice. On our way back to Locust Post.
What a day.
It was good times. Yeah. Pretty exhausted by this point. All we want to do is just hang out, have a couple beers, listen to some music.
Check out the off-road option here on the road, a little sidewalk.
We've seen this a bunch of times when we go do the Green Ridge Dual Sport. Finally got on there with the adventure bikes.
Might as well take the fun route.
Yes. Road less traveled.
count me in.
Look out for, if you're riding, look out for
Grass! Oh
We
shit.
gotta do it again.
Day 4! Found this little gem back there behind the breakfast spot. Just ripped around for a minute.
The old gas station breakfast spot.
Yep.
It's delicious.
You can't get gas where you have breakfast. You're doing it wrong.
Lots of baking soda.
So from Green Ridge, we took a bunch of twisties to get to Waynesboro, Pennsylvania, our second Waynesboro of the trip.
Waynesboro! Waynesboro! Party time! Some of the roads were super fun. As fun as the off-road, I think.
We made it to Michaux and cruised around a little bit.
Outlaw.
At this point, I think we
Indian
were
outlaw.
getting a little dusty.
Yeah.
A little crusty, a little dusty. Big dust.
So this was Saturday, day 4?
Yeah.
But yeah, I think we were,
Gotta keep PG.
yeah, Michelle was awesome. It was a good way to end it out.
No, that was a great. Oh,
Yeah,
man.
that
was fun. That was fun. That was a great trip.
That was our fourth state of the trip. So we started in Maryland, we did
Fourth
Virginia,
day, fourth state.
then we did West Virginia, then we ended up in Pennsylvania.
Really, 4 days isn't enough.
Yeah, I could have done an extra day.
Done another 5.
5 days.
By day 3, I was like kind of in this groove.
We had it
Yeah.
down.
where-
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's
That's
like,
how the TAD is.
Yeah.
It's just like you're like,
Time for 30
like, cool.
days.
I got food. I got gas. I need to find somewhere to sleep eventually.
Outlaw style again.
Look at that butt.
I'm not doing
There's Daniel. He
I'm
did a
not doing
selfie.
that.
Did a selfie mid-ride, and I thought that wasn't going to turn out. And I was right.
We actually ran into quite a few gates and closed roads in Michaux.
Yeah, no bears though.
No bears.
Oh, the end. Well, at the end, we just we had to stop it where we started it with clean bikes. So
Car wash.
we went to the car wash. We did. I think total we did about 850 plus
880.
880. Yeah, nearly 900.
912 kilometers.
I would totally do this trip again, but maybe I would adjust it a little bit to...
Yeah, no Kyle.
What?
Do we have anything else to say? I think we've said a ton.
I don't think we've said enough. And
The end.
Please like and subscribe.
I'm the black bear.